Total coronavirus cases in the state of Florida have now reached more than 85,000 and are climbing more rapidly than ever. I talked to the Alachua County Department of Health to see just how big of an issue it is here in north central Florida. Alachua County currently sits above 600 coronavirus cases to date. If you look at recent numbers, you might notice a large spike from June 9th to June 12th. Numbers went from 7 new cases on the 9th to 30 cases on the 10th, up to 61 cases on the 11th, and then finally back down to 22 cases on the 12th. As it turns out, there was a reason behind that.
The spikes we saw in the recent week or so were from Alachua County farm workers. So we believed that there was a chance of exposure to a local farm, and we went out and tested 100 people and 90 of those came back positive, but that was just a small cluster of people where there was a small outbreak.
Mark Warren of UFIFAS asked not to be on camera, but says, quote, "Lots of guidelines were already in place before COVID-19 happened. I think the outbreak in Alachua County was an isolated incident." Although worry isn't at an all-time here in north central Florida, cases around the state continue to rise at a concerning rate. Several daily count records have been broken over the last few days. The state total topped more than 3,000 new cases for the first time ever on Thursday. Case totals in June have already topped the previous months, and there's still plenty of time left.
I think everyone has to remember this is definitely out there. We've seen some other things in the news cycle the last few weeks where maybe coronavirus has been on the back burner. It's everyone's first coronavirus pandemic. We're all going through it, and I think people should remember this is going to be with us for some time.
I spoke to the Alachua County Manager's Office, and they did say not to worry about food supply lines. There's been no link between produce and a spread of cases. Still, though, the county and the health department strongly urge you to continue wearing a mask and social distancing as they are proven to slow the spread of the virus. In Alachua County, Chris O'Brien, WUFT News.